Winter Storm Fern just put half of the United States in a deep freeze, and the aftermath is messy. We're seeing record-breaking pipe bursts and catastrophic water damage across the commercial sector. But while others see a disaster, elite investors see a massive market correction. Here's a way to turn the weather crisis into a commercial real estate win: the recapitalization play. Many mom and pop owners or undercapitalized syndicators don't have the cash reserves to handle a six-figure water damage restoration alongside rising insurance deductibles. This is your opening to swoop in. Offer to recapitalize the asset in exchange for a significant equity stake. You provide the liquidity to save the building. You reap the long-term rewards.